Hi children, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe and secure at your home. I am Sivaraju, Faculty of Social Studies. Welcome to Order School e-learning classes. Today, the lesson going on, the 6th class Social Studies, Chapter 1, Our Earth in the Solar System. Our Earth in the solar system. Students, do you know what is solar system? Yes, the solar system is including in a number of stars, sun, moon, planets, satellites, asteroids, meteoroids and comets. Children, these are called celestial bodies in our universe. The planets, sun, moon, satellites, asteroids, meteoroids, comets, these are called celestial bodies in our solar system. Children, especially in summer months, we want to sleep on the terrace. Yes or no? Why? Because on that time that is a very pleasure and cool atmosphere. That's why we want to sleep in the top of the building. I mean terrace. What you observing in the sky on that time? We see the gauged the sky, a number of stars, moon. Anything is there? Especially the twinkle stars. You sing the poem in previous classes. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are, up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. That is a very beautiful poem. In my childhood days, sing the song felt very happy. I think as like you. The twinkle stars and the moon. What you observing in the moon? All days same size in the moon on the night time? No, all days not the same size. After 15 days, we see the full moon. That is called full moon day. After full moon day, after 15 days, we see the dark night on the sky. That is called new moon day. That is called in Sanskrit word Amavasya. In night time, we see in the sky a group of stars and pattern of stars, different types of patterns. Different types of patterns of stars is called constellations. Constellation. Group of stars is called Milky Way or galaxy. Group of stars is called galaxy or Milky Way or Akashaganga or Palapunta. These are so many Indian terminal languages. A group of stars is called galaxy or Milky Way. Different types of patterns of the stars. Different types of patterns. Some place group of stars distance stars that is called Ursa Major. Our sailors in our ancient time, especially the navigators and the sailors, they have two directions of the North Pole star, North Star. These are called pole star. The pole star indicates the north direction. The pole star indicates the north direction. That's why all sailors and navigators follow the pole star. In the northern hemisphere, the northern direction we indicate one star, that is called the pole star. Sometimes the stars are help of the sailors and navigators. Our ancient time, I mean, we invented compass before time. What is compass? The compass always shows in the directions. That's why before invented compass time, our ancient people are navigators and the sailors whereas go to the help of stars in any direction. Especially the north direction, the north pole, that is called the pole star. It always remain in the same position. The pole star always remaining in the same position in the sky. We can locate the position of the pole star with the help of Saptarshi. Saptarshi mean Ursa Major. Ursa Major mean constellation. Constellation mean different types of patterns stars is called constellation. Okay, children. Now we start these points one by one. Sun. In solar system, head is sun as per heliocentric theory. Who's proposed heliocentric theory? The heliocentric theory proposed by Copernicus. The main source of heat and light only sun. The main source of heat and light sun. Our earth not have heat and light. Our earth also depend on sun for heat and light. The sun is closest star to the earth. The sun is closest star to the earth. So the earth receives more light and heat from the sun. Not only receiving earth but also remaining planets and 7 planets except earth. 7 planets also receiving light and heat in our solar system. The sun, satellites and planets and rotating and on its axis to revolve around the sun in our solar system. There are 8 planets in our solar system. Children, there are 8 planets in our solar system. How many planets in our solar system? 8 planets. That 8 planets is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Let me repeat it again. Total 8 planets in our solar system. The first one, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Children, these 8 planets divided into 2 parts. Some planets are inner planets, some planets are outer planets. Nearest to the sun planets is called inner planets. Farthest planets is called outer planets. The inner planets is 4, the outer planets is 4. There are 8 planets in our solar system. The 8 planets divided into 2 categories. The 2 categories is one of the inner planets, the second one outer planets. The inner planets is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. These are inner planets. Outer planets is Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These are called outer planets. The inner planets is closest to the sun. Inner planets are and smaller size and composed of rocks, containing rocks. Size is small and containing rocks material in our inner planets. The outer planets and size in big comparatively inner planets, and these made up of gaseous. These made up of gas. The inner planets comparatively size in small. The outer planets are gaseous and liquids. The outer planets made up of gaseous and liquids. Children, we easily identified these 8 planets in single word. Okay, children? We easily identified these 8 planets with a single word. The single word is, see, my very educated mother just served as noodles. My very educated mother just served as noodles. Children, you see, the first letter is indicating one planet. In my, M is Mercury. The second one, V is Venus. The third one, educated, the first letter is Earth. The fourth one, Mother. The mother in first word letter is M. M in Mars. Just. In just word, the first letter in J. J means Jupiter. Served. The word, the first letter is S. S means Saturn. S means Saturn. Next, as. As word, the first letter is U. U mean Uranus. U mean Uranus. Next, noodles. The noodles word, the first letter is N. N mean Neptune. N mean Neptune. You see, my very educated mother just served as noodles. My in Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. This is the word. The single word tell us 8 planets. Yes or no? That's why we easily identified these 8 planets with a single sentence. Okay, children, these are planets. Planets are not a self-luminous. What is the difference between stars and planets? What is the difference between stars and planets? The stars are emitted to light and heat. The stars are emitted to light and heat, but the planets are not luminous, not emitted to heat. They are receiving light and heat from the sun. The planets are receiving light and heat. That is the difference between stars and planets. Children, what is the difference between stars and planets? The stars is a self-luminous body. A self-luminous body and emitted to light and heat. But the planets are not a self-luminous body. They are receiving from the light and heat from sun. That is the difference between stars and planets. Okay, children, in the solar system, the nearest planet is Mercury. The nearest planet is Mercury. Venus is considered Earth's twins. Venus is considered Earth's twins because its shape and size that like a Earth. Venus shape and size that like a Earth. Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system. Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system. Jupiter is the biggest planet. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system. This is our planets. Next our Earth. Earth is a unique body. Why? Because the large portion of Earth covered with water. 71% water and 29% land masses. That's why our Earth look like a blue planet. Our Earth is called a blue planet. Our Earth is called blue planet. Why? Because our Earth large portion occupied by water. In our Earth large portion, I mean 71% of land occupied by water. Only 29% occupied in land mass. That's why a large portion of water. So our Earth is called blue planet. Our home planet is Earth and nearest planet in Sun nearest planet is Earth in third position. In size wise, fifth position. It is the Earth is third nearest planet to the Sun. Earth is third nearest planet to the Sun in size, fifth position in our planets. Largest planet. Earth is a fifth largest planet. Slightly flattened at the top. We see look like our Earth is slightly flattened at the top of the poles and bulbs of the middle, like our orange fruit. What is orange fruit shape? You know? Did you eat any time orange fruit? As like the fat slightly flat on the top of the Earth and bulbs middle of the Earth. That's why Earth is a geoid. The shape described as geoid. Geoid means Earth. So, Earth is a natural satellite of the moon. The Earth is most suitable for planets and life also. It has four major components support the life. Four major components support the life. The four components, major components is lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and the biosphere. The four major components supported to life, that four is lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. Now, what is lithosphere? Lithos means Greek. Lithos means rocks. The earth topmost layer and containing rocks which is called lithosphere. Heavy rocks and pebble sediments also including in lithosphere. Solid outer layer of the earth. Lithosphere means the solid outer layer of the earth is called lithosphere. Next, the second one, hydrosphere. Hydrosphere means the water consists of water bodies. Water bodies consist of oceans, rivers, canals, tanks. One sentence is there. The water surrounding on earth is called hydrosphere. All water bodies are including in hydrosphere. Okay, children? Hydrosphere means in all water bodies like oceans, seas, rivers, canals, tanks, and ice caps also. Where is ice caps in especially mountains in polar regions? Ice caps also including in hydrosphere. All water bodies and water content including in hydrosphere. Next one, atmosphere. The third component is atmosphere. The atmosphere means the air surrounding Earth is called atmosphere. So many gases including in it. Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide. The atmosphere means consists of number of gases. Oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen, helium, ozone. These are some gases including in atmosphere. And percentage wise, the nitrogen in our air 78%. Nitrogen 78% is there in our atmosphere. 21% oxygen in our atmosphere. 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and remaining carbon dioxide and hydrogen and helium and ozone. These are smaller size in their percentage our atmosphere. This is the third component. The fourth component is biosphere. Bios mean life. Bios mean life. All living things existing in the land. All living things existing in the land. That is plants, animals, birds, human beings, and small living organism to big animal. Consist of plants, animals, and bacteria also. So, these four major components support the help on the earth: lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and biosphere. That's why life is possible only earth. That's why earth is called earth is unique planet. Earth is unique planet than other planets. Okay, children? Now, I will give you assignment. These 5 questions. The first one is, what is meant by solar system? First one is, what is meant by solar system? The second one is, what is the difference between planets and stars? What is the difference between planets and stars? The third question is, how many planets are there in our solar system? What are they? The third question is, how many planets are there in our solar system? What are they? The fourth question is, why the earth is a unique celestial body? Why the earth is a unique celestial body? The fifth one is, do exercise. This is the textbook activity. Do exercise. Let's do in your social textbook, page number 3 and 6. 3 and 6. Okay, children. This is the assignment for based on session 1. Are Earth in the solar system? Thank you.